Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect vidIQ to Claude AI. So let's get started. So first of all, you gotta open Claude AI, sign into your account and click on this plus icon right next to the prompt box. You'll be able to see the option of connectors. Click on that and then click on add connector. You'll be further see two options. One is browse connectors and the other is add custom connector. So vidIQ is not available in the official Claude website. So you're gonna click on add custom connector over here. And here you're gonna give it name vidIQ. So I'm gonna type in vidIQ right over here. And then here in this field, you're gonna type down the remote MCP server URL. So to attain that, you gotta open a new tab and search for vidIQ MCP. Click on vidIQ MCP server and then you'll be asked to sign into your vidIQ account. Once done, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Right here at the bottom left corner, you'll be able to see the email. Click on that and then click on account settings. So once you're here, you'll be able to further see some options at the top. So you're going to click on MCP right over here, and then here you'll be able to see API keys. So you're going to click on generate new API key, and then you can give it a name. So I'm going to type in Claude and click on generate. So once you have created that, you'll be able to see some setup guides such as Claude, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini CLI, Cursor, VS Code, OpenClaw. So these are some AI tools that vidIQ does support. So right over here, you'll be able to see the MCP server URL. So you're going to copy this, go to your Claude and just paste the remote MCP server URL over here. And there are some additional advanced settings such as OAuth client ID or OAuth client secret if you want to add. Once done, simply click on add. So you're going to simply click on authorize over here and you're good to go. Sign into your vidIQ's account and that's it. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.